Hello, everyone. We are welcoming our guest, Jorabek Mominov. He's a sales representative of Danube, and he's here today. So we'll see what he's gonna say. So, welcome our studio, Jorabek. Nice to meet you.
Thank you, Sherzod. Okay, glad to see you.
Yeah, Jorabek. First question. Tell me about yourself.
So my name is Jorabek. I came to Dubai in 2019. I work as a sales manager at Danube Properties. So I started in Dubai real estate in 2023. It's been over 3 years now. So in total, I've got 7 years experience. So I started first in the retail shop, in the brands.
Great. So you're in Dubai 7 years.
7 years, 2019. So imagine I came to Dubai when I was 19 years old.
Wow,
When I was
so
19.
young.
So yeah, I left the university. I didn't want to spend 4 years there, so I didn't believe in the university at that time. So I came to Dubai. I dropped out the university. 19 years old guy, seeking for a job. I joined in the fashion brand Baldinini, Italian brand. Then I moved to the Hugo Boss. So I worked like 4 years in the retail shops. Then in 2023, May, one thing changed my life completely. That was like a big transition. I made a shift to real estate. That's actually a very interesting story. I always would like to share this. So one day, it was Saturday evening, I was sales director of Danube. Just walked in our office, our shop, Hugo Boss shop. It was Saturday evening, everyone is tired. After long shift, no one is approaching him. I just approached and I asked it, how can I help you? And he said he was just looking at the suits. And within half an hour, I sold him like 6 or 7 suits.
Wow.
Within half an hour. To the guy who never bought from Hugo Boss before. And I was a salesman first time selling him.
Okay.
And I didn't know him, first of all. That's what surprised him, and he invited me to his office. He said, why don't you join my team?
Wow.
I was hesitating first. I didn't think at all to join in real estate before. And I went to his office, we chat. He said, join my team. So in 2023 June, that's my career start in real estate because of him. Like whatever happened in my life after that, it's all because of him. His name is Sayyid Ali. Sorry, his name is Sayyid Hussein. Sayyid Hussein is from India. He was a sales director from 2020 to 2025 in Danube. Now he left. He's at the big organization now.
Okay, great. Look, it was really impressive. Your sales skills, and he saw your potential, and he invited for the interview. That's really nice. So
he's the one. So I never thought about joining real estate. Because of him, I joined, and of the 3 years, we have done many roadshows. First of all, I started in the international team, where we used to do roadshows in different countries.
Sure. And by the way, yeah, that's my second question. So you conducted roadshow across Georgia, Armenia, Ethiopia, Ghana, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, and Uzbekistan. What was that experience like? So
first of all, people trust people, not brochures. So when you're sitting with the client, not over the call, so they get the information, they get the emotion from you. And mostly, we don't just sell the people immediately at one visit. So we do the constant, continuous roadshows. For example, we had a roadshow 1.5 years ago in Uzbekistan, in Tashkent. The people who came in that roadshow ended up buying at the end of 2025 in our latest roadshow. Because you build the trust by making constant, continuous roadshows in the city. And that's how we gain the trust from the people. And once we sit down with the client, we guide them into the right investment, into the right product, according to their requirements. So what kind of requirement they have, what they're looking for, either self-use or investment. Accordingly, we'll give them the right product. Especially with Danube, it's very easy.
Okay. Yeah, you're absolutely right. It's a property investment. It's a big amount of money. So not everyone is ready just to pay anything. No, they have to think. They have to check the market. They have to, of course, find that guy whom they want to work. Yeah, that's very important. I have also such kind of transaction years people are buying. I had one client actually. He was on contact me 2 years, I believe, 2 years, and he bought after that. He bought 5 units from me. So
That's how you build the trust after making such a long relationship. So that the first thing is a relationship for us.
correct.
We build a relationship, we build a trust, then the client end up buying with us once they see that that's the right product for them.
Correct. You're absolutely right. Okay, great. Then another one question: what makes Danube Properties stands out in Dubai competitive market?
See, when we started the new properties in 2014, we had the first concept, the payment plan. Where when we started the first 1% payment plan, where Mr. Rizwan, the visionary, when he started this 1% payment plan, there was no any developer was giving payment plan of 1%, where everyone was focusing on the investors. No one was focusing on the people who are living on rent.
Correct.
So that was his vision. So he came up with this idea where he wanted to sell the apartments to those who are living on rent, who are dreaming of buying a property. That is the reason he started launching affordable projects with 1% easy payment plan. And then the ownership has become very easy. Earlier, the payment plan was like 5%, 10%. It was a big chunks.
Yeah.
If someone is living on rent, they can't afford this.
Correct.
Now, Danube has reached the point where we are giving a 1% payment plan in the prime locations where there is no one offering such payment plans.
Absolutely.
But that was the first thing. The payment plan is the first thing that make us stand out from other developers in this market. Second thing is fully furnished apartments. When you're looking at the market, majority of the developers, they give you semi-furnished apartments with the kitchen appliances. What we are doing, we're giving fully furnished apartments, and we have two types of projects, high-end and middle-range projects. For the middle-range projects, we give our own furniture brand, Danube Home. It's fully furnished, fully decorated. If it's high-end projects, like in waterfront project in Maritime City or base project in Business Bay, we give furniture from Italian brand Dolce Vita.
Wow.
Yes. The third one, what I would say, is amenities. Amenities is our key point. When we started 11 years ago, all the developers, even if you're looking at now, any project delivered 10 years ago, the amenities are basic. You find the pool, gym. What we started with our projects, we start offering 40 plus amenities in the building itself. Our vision, to give a resort style living in the building. So when you come home, you feel like you're at the resort. You have a pool, gym, spa, sauna. Even we have a lagoon now, artificial lagoon on the podium level. We have a golf playing area, paddle court, outdoor terrace, everything.
Yeah, 40. It's
40 plus amenities in each
40.
building.
Yeah, it's like a hotel. Yes.
Even hotel not offering this.
Correct. I didn't see that other developers are offering 40 plus amenities. You are right. So up to 10, it's nowadays up to 10, it's fine. But 40, yeah, you're absolutely right. I think only the Danube is offering such kind of amenities.
That's right.
Correct.
And I would say that there's one more very important factor where how we are standing out from other developers in this market. It's a very growing market. I would say early delivery handover, where we are delivering our projects earlier than the scheduled time.
Oh, this is very impressive. Tell me how you guys are achieving.
You see, our 3 projects got delivered 5 months ahead of schedule.
5
5 months ahead of schedule.
Wow.
We've got another one in the pipeline. We are delivering the projects Q4 2026, but it was actually scheduled Q1 2027, which is 6 months advance. How we are doing it? First of all, Danube is not only developer, it's a fully integrated group where we have our own construction materials, we have our own furnitures, we have our own fittings materials. Every single product, which is, I can say, 80% of the materials that takes to build the project is in-house.
Okay. Oh,
so
right.
we don't, I mean, for the logistics, doesn't take time. We can easily get the products from our own warehouse.
Okay.
That is what making us deliver the projects earlier than the time, and plus at the better quality with a better price.
Okay, this is the secret of Danube.
Of course, of course.
Amazing, amazing. If you're looking for property in Dubai or you want to buy or sell it, so you can contact us. Our numbers are mentioned on the below here. And if you're an investor and you want to make good investment, reach us out. So, Jorabek, recently a SHAHRUKHZ project you guys launched, and it was sold out completely in one day. How you guys achieve it?
It was actually a big launch. So normally we start the project's pre-launch stage earlier, 2 weeks earlier. There are multiple reasons for that, why we sold out this project on the launch day. The first reason, of course, the brand name, celebrity name. We had a collaboration with a big guy, SHAHRUKHZ. He's a global face of Dubai. It was also very hard to convince him to get the collaboration because there are 2 more developers he wanted to go for.
Wow.
Mr. Rizwan has decided, and he wasn't part of this project. And the first one is for sure the celebrity name, SHAHRUKHZ. The second, for sure, the location. SHAHRUKHZ is located on the prime location, Sherzod Road, which is 5 minutes from Marina and 15 minutes from Burj Khalifa. It's right on the Sherzod. Third one is a competitive price. We launched at the very low price per square feet if you're comparing to any grade A offices. And grade A offices, by the way, is a short of stock in Dubai. If you're looking at, you hardly find less than 10 fingers, which is off plan.
Correct.
You know, you heard about the Lumena by Omniat, Lumena Alta, 20 million dirham starting price. It was sold out on the launch day.
Correct. Correct. Yeah, yeah, absolutely right. We are short of offices in Dubai, and it's very important that you guys launched on the right time. Yeah, yeah. That's
so it was the price per square feet, celebrity name, and also it's a kind of futuristic building in a way that office tower first time is offering more than 30 amenities.
For the office?
For the office, imagine.
30 amenities?
30 amenities.
Oh my gosh.
We're having a pool, outdoor terrace, gym, sunken sitting, paddle court, badminton court, outdoor terrace. I mean, more than 30 such amenities. And one time I had an experience with one client, the guy over 60 years old. He's saying that if I open a company here in this office, my workers get spoiled. He's saying, yeah, indeed, because that's the reality we're offering. Because imagine that you have office, you're not going to work because you have the paddle court, you have the pool, you have the gym. Whenever you get free, you go to these amenities and you spend time. That's kind of things that we offered, and that is why it sold out very fast. And of course, the payment plan. When it comes to the offices, there is no single office at the moment available in the market with a 1% payment plan and plus post handover. That was a big achievement. That was the only project, the SHAHRUKHZ was the only project that that was offering the payment plan with 1%. And that is why we sold out instantly. And by the way, we are coming up with something big very soon.
Wow, that's very interesting.
Something very big soon.
What is that? Can we know a little bit information, like, you know?
We will announce very soon. We will announce very soon. Maybe coming month.
Is it office or is it residential? What is that?
By the way, we've got huge pipeline in this year. Last year, we have done 10 billion dirham transactions overall in the market, and we were top 4 among private developers and top 10 among all the developers. And this year, our plan to make 15 billion dirham transactions.
15 billion.
15, which is 50% more than the previous year.
Wow.
How are we going to achieve it? First of all, this month we have one project in JVC. Next month we have very big project coming in the market, something very unique with the payment plan. March we'll have another big project coming. So back to back we'll have a big project, and 2026 will be very good year. It will be Danube.
Oh.
For all our brokers.
Okay, good luck, guys. Good luck. Good luck. That's really impressive, and it's very good if you have so many projects, since Dubai market is on fire, so there is a demand. So that's good actually. Okay, great. So yeah, we already discussed about your 1% payment plan, which you guys are popular. And I think only one of you guys are doing this 1% payment plan, not everyone. And one of the actually very interesting question, what are the most common question you get from investors across different markets?
across different markets. So everyone seeks for, high returns and higher rental yields
Mm-hmm.
or long-term stability. They, especially when it comes to the first-time investor, they want to go for the developer who's been marketing the long time,
Mm-hmm.
who's been delivering the projects long time. Over
Mm-hmm.
the last 3 years, we've got many developers where you can't find one project delivered. But
Mm-hmm.
with when you invest in the trusted developer, you have the track record,
Mm-hmm.
you have the projects delivered.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the thing first the investors are seeking for.
Mm-hmm.
So they want to make sure that they're investing in the right developer who's been delivering the projects on time and before time.
Mm-hmm.
Second, for sure they seek for the higher return. So
Mm-hmm.
either it can be investment purpose. If it's investment, they seek for the capital growth or higher rental yield. And not all the projects can give these two things,
Mm-hmm.
because you need to choose the right location. You need to enter the market with the right price per square feet.
Mm-hmm.
And the third one for sure, the self-use. When they're seeking for the self-use option, so first of all, there are some criteria: the location-wise,
Mm-hmm.
connectivity, the schools, malls,
Mm-hmm.
restaurants for that family living, right? They're things we get from the clients normally.
Okay, great, great. Actually, you mentioned really very important points. That's why you guys are selling quite good, impressive. That's well done, guys. So, which Danube project do you think the most potential for capital appreciation?
See, at the moment in the market, there are two things are high demand. The first one, waterfront apartments. Second of all, offices. When we are looking at the waterfront apartments, 93% of first coastline of Dubai either sold out or developed. We are looking from Dubai South all the way to the Dubai Island.
Mm-hmm.
Majority of the lands are sold out. So it's very high demand. We have already seen the transactions in Blue Waters, Imar Beachfront, how the property price increased over the 140%.
Mm-hmm.
Over here, we are looking at one of the last lands available. So for sure, the breeze will give the high capital growth as it's located in Dubai Maritime City, surrounded by 360-degree sea view, and we're expecting very good capital growth in the future. And second of all, offices. As we are looking at the transactions, in the next 3 years, only 3% of new supply for the offices we are getting from in the market. So the number of offices which we are getting, which number of offices which are getting delivered in the next 3 years, only 3%. If you're comparing with the apartments, 83%.
Wow.
Where offices are very limited. You can't even find the grade A office at the moment. Each location has only one office tower, maybe, when under construction. That is why office, we are at the early stage, where we are at the initial stage of launching offices, and you will be seeing more often developers launching the offices. And every other month, I'm seeing now, every developer is launching. Even Emaru is coming up with a new office tower in Mina Rashid. Imtiaz has launched recently. We have launched on Sherzod Road. Payon has launched in Maritime City. So all the developers are launching offices because now they know that office is big demand. So in the next 1 year, we are expecting minimum 15 to 20% growth in the office market.
Mm-hmm.
Because that's how it happens. Normally, when the developers start focusing on the offices, they start seeking for the commercial lands. And the commercial land owners start increasing the price because they see the demand is coming.
Mm-hmm.
That's how the price per square feet of the offices will start slowly increasing.
Mm-hmm.
So from last year, we start seeing office launches. Lumena, it was sold out in one day. Lumena Alta came. So I believe 2026 will be mostly the office towers, the townhouses. So now, what I would say for the new project, we've got 2 projects where we can expect high capital appreciation. The first one is Breeze, which is waterfront, as I mentioned. Second of all is the SHAHRUKHZ, which is office tower.
Uh-huh.
It's going to give very high return. We are pretty sure.
Okay, if you are an investor looking for investment in Dubai, Knight Frank report that we are short of supply of offices. So if you have already residential properties, my advice, have a look at the offices. And if you need information or if you want some advices, you can contact us. Our numbers mentioned below. And by the way, if you like this video, put like, and it will help us to reach more people, and it will help to grow this channel.
Thank you very
And
much.
thank you very much, Jorabek, for
Thank you
joining
for
us
the
today.
invitation.